What is up, guys? I'm here to show you what our new vehicle is, and where it is what it replaced. So you all ready for this? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! That's right. We got a Jaguar F Pace S. And this thing is downright gorgeous. I am going to do a quick overview of this thing. I'll show you all its features, I guess. We might as well start in the back because I'm going to do a quick one. So when you're driving, it has ambient lights here in the door. And there's a race mode called dynamic mode. And when you go in dynamic, all I know is this lights up red. That's what we were told. I don't know what it lights up when you're just chilling, driving. Back seats recline and are heated. You can't really see, but they are heated. You also get your own USB back there and climate control and all that jazz. Seats are really nice. It's real leather, obviously, with a white stitch. What else can I quickly show you guys? Tailgate is fully automatic. Press a button, goes up. Seats all flip down with a button. And this thing goes back down, push of a button. So this thing does have the black package. So it is black, comes with 20-inch black wheels, has a black insert. Basically everywhere it's chrome, it's black. So that's like a $2,500 package. It does have 3M. What else do we got? We got some really nice set of a second set of wheels with it. I think they're nicer than the Summers. So I'm gonna throw those on, I think, for the summer. These are the SVR wheels. And they have brand new winter tires on them, brand new Summers. All right, so we get in here and engine start. It is a full digital dash. So this truck SUV has a tech package along with the black package. It also has a comfort and something else package. It's like 20 grand in packages this thing has. So we totally lucked out. We were in the market for an SUV and this thing popped up, and this was by far the best value, best bang for your buck. So here's your gear knob selector, right? So you got sport mode, and then also, this is crazy. You know your SUV means business when it has a race mode. And so I can change just by the touch of a button, comfort, comfort, comfort. I can change it to dynamic, 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 which makes this SUV a totally different animal. This is the 3-liter V6 supercharged, 380 horsepower. When it is in dynamic, the RPM gauge goes in the middle and the speedometer goes to the right. So when you're in comfort mode, they switch and all the colors change. And what else can I show you? So we do this, right? We're in comfort mode. This thing has a lap timer, and a G meter in an SUV. Oh yeah, another thing that our package got was this 12-inch display, full touchscreen. What is this one? Oh, it's just a meter to tell you your throttle and your braking. So like a G meter in an SUV, that is crazy. Anyway, so we have the full surround sound system, the Meridian surround sound system. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a really quick overview. A lot of people are asking me for pictures and what it all has. It is a gorgeous SUV. We've literally owned it for a couple hours, and we can't wait to go back and just drive it. It is the gray. We almost got a blue one, but we ended up up getting the gray one because it obviously had all these packages. It was lower kilometers, so we bought this used. See if it focuses on that thing. 23,000 kilometers. So huge value for what you pay for this thing because of the kilometers, right? And there's the ambient lighting right there. So look at that. That is gorgeous. See, I'll see if it changes red right now while I'm in the dynamic mode. Maybe not. Maybe YouTube lied to me. But I think you can change the color. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about this thing right now. And it's kind of stressful. It literally has, it's a computer by itself. It has lane assist. You can literally take everything here. But the weirdest thing is you can do this and take your whole display as your, so I don't have any gauges up, but I have my navigation for my instrument panel, which is just weird. I would have to get used to that, I think. But it does show you everything you need to know still. Garage door openers, all the sensors. It has like a million cameras on this thing. So I just wanted to show you guys the truck. I'll do a once around here. I'll get out of the garage because we are going to take it. Barely fits in the garage. So I'm going to have to be really careful getting out of here. Oop. The mirrors almost touch. All right. I left it up to the wife, you know, deciding what she wanted to get. And she's always wanted, I don't know how to, there we go. She's always wanted one of these ever since they came out. We drove one at Jag when they first came out and we both fell in love with it. And she's wanted one ever since. So here we are. In all its glory. I think it's definitely the nicest looking SUV on the market. That front end is just so mean. So like I said, we totally lucked out with all the packages we got with this thing. And it sounds like an exotic. I'll do a more in-depth video obviously, but I have so many friends asking me about it, so I thought I would just post a video as I always do. So that's what we have for you today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned, it will be on the channel a lot more. And we're certainly excited to see what this thing has to offer, but that's all for now. So give the video a thumbs up, like, subscribe. All right, peace guys.